Stress is a part of life, but managing it is essential for your mental and physical well-being. One natural way to reduce stress is by using essential oils. In this video, we'll dive into the top 7 essential oils for stress relief and how you can incorporate them into your daily routine to feel calmer and more balanced. Let's start with lavender essential oil. Known as the ultimate stress reliever, lavender is widely celebrated for its calming properties. Studies show that it can lower anxiety and even improve sleep quality. Add a few drops to a diffuser or mix it with a carrier oil for a relaxing massage. Next is bergamot essential oil. With its citrusy scent, bergamot uplifts your mood while reducing stress. It's perfect for diffusing during the day or applying to your wrists for an instant pick-me-up. Third on the list is chamomile essential oil. Famous for its use in teas, chamomile oil also works wonders for calming the mind and soothing irritability. Use it during meditation or before bedtime for the best results. Another powerful oil is frankincense essential oil. Known for its grounding effects, frankincense promotes relaxation and reduces feelings of tension. Try adding it to your yoga or mindfulness practices for a deeper sense of calm. Now let's talk about rose essential oil. With its rich, floral aroma, rose oil is excellent for emotional balance and stress relief. It's a bit luxurious, but even a small amount can help you feel more at ease. The 6th essential oil is ylang-ylang. Its sweet, exotic scent not only reduces stress, but also lowers blood pressure and improves mood. Diffuse it during the evening to unwind after a busy day. Finally, there's peppermint essential oil. While it's often used for energy, peppermint can also help ease tension and headaches caused by stress. A drop on your temples or in a diffuser can do wonders. To recap, the top 7 essential oils for stress relief are lavender, bergamot, chamomile, frankincense, rose, ylang-ylang, and peppermint. Each of these oils offers unique benefits, so experiment to find what works best for you. If you're ready to embrace a more natural way to manage stress, give essential oils a try. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Burn and Balance, and comment below on your favorite essential oil for stress relief. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.